Hey, this is this is Jay Cameron. This is we had to do about the something had to do like it be ABC working, but it's still what it did now. One is the same then. They're not NBC working. It's a be Jay Cam Warhead the champ now. That when I like the yeah. Like Uncle do. Okay. Okay. There it is. I open all right now. Yeah. Uh-oh. Can't take this. Can I actually get them up? There it is. Okay. No. Please don't. Go do. Okay. Took the tape, man. Okay. We got this. Oh, I like that. Kid guys are cool to too. So, yeah, they're cool, man. Y'all going into Wayne Superstore Cockon. It should y'all get by then. Yeah. It's cool, dude. Yeah. We always, I always show y'all do. Yeah. Y'all gotta get all do. Okay. Okay. From there. There you go. Ta-da! That's a take there. Ta-da! That's a cool, man. I like that. Y'all could down to show you this is cool, man. It's just like same one I got the pattern. Yeah. Warrior Champ. And this would be J Kent Champ, y'all. This is the fine dinner. Yeah. And I like this too. Yeah. Those who's in. Like, comment, shine. I see you. What net bit. Thank you, everyone.